dates milk strawberry smoothie or strawberry milk dates smoothie. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious fresh strawberry milkshake recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the strawberry smoothie recipes and one of the most delicious of the dates smoothie recipes and one of the most unique of the dates recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the strawberry recipes and one of the most delicious of the milk recipes. Today we're going to make strawberry dates milk smoothie or dates milk strawberry smoothie. We've taken around 50 grams of strawberry and around 75 grams of dates from which the seeds have been removed, and 50 grams of sugar. Put in the dates and the sugar into the grinder with the strawberry pieces. Close and grind well. Now pour in 200 ml of milk into the mixture. Close and blend in the blender. The dates milk strawberry smoothie is ready and can be poured into the glasses. Pour the smoothie into the glass. This is the final dates milk strawberry smoothie or dates milk strawberry milkshake. One of the tastiest of the dinner recipes and one of the most delicious of the strawberry recipes and one of the most unique of the dates recipes and one of the most unique of the fresh strawberry milkshake recipes and one of the most easiest to make of the strawberry recipes and one of the most unique of the dates recipes and one of the most different of the milk recipes. If you like the video, please like, share, and subscribe and press the notification button.